I'm Pilar del Castillo, a member of the European Parliament and chair of the European Internet Foundation. We have celebrated in Washington this week the Transatlantic Week, a new edition organized by the Transatlantic Policy Network, which has the aim of putting together members of Congress and European parliamentarians in order to develop a strong cooperation, a strong collaboration in so many matters in which legislators from both sides of the Atlantic can cooperate. For example, in energy, for example, in the ICT sectors, things related to the intellectual property rights, and many more. I would like to underline some aspects which call our debates and our attention, in my view, being very productive. For example, in terms of energy, we have been debated on things like smart grids, like energy efficiency. In both cases, there are ways really extremely important in order to guarantee that we have the energy we need, the amount of energy we need, and that we make use of this energy in a proper and intelligent manner. On the other hand, for example, we have been debating in something which can be considered kind of trending topic in Twitter language, which is the cloud computing. So cloud computing, there's no doubt that offers a new window of opportunities for jobs, for business, new business model, and this is our responsibility from the side of the legislator to create the proper environment in which companies and consumers they can really develop this new and promising technology. There are many things to do in terms of common standards, in terms of interoperability, and so on and so on. So I think just to conclude that this new edition of the Transatlantic Week was a real success. We come back with many new ideas and ways to collaborate, and then during this coming year and until the next edition of the Transatlantic Week, I'm sure new developments in terms of join together, in terms of have a common effort, which in time of crisis, as we are now, is of utmost importance. That is the time in which the Europeans and the Americans, in this case, both a group of legislators, we should put all the effort together. We have much to win for all of our people. That is our commitment, and that is what was relevant in this new edition of the Transatlantic Week. Thank you very much.